Well, extraordinary situations calling for extraordinary action from the highest court of the country, the apex court, the Supreme Court of India. Now, what is this extraordinary situation? It was late on Friday that the apex court, a bench headed by none other than the Chief Justice of India, had decided to convene a special hearing. Why was that? Why this special dispensation? Well, the reason for that were the extraordinary circumstances. A rape victim, a 14-year-old minor, a 14-year-old teenager, was suffering a pregnancy on account of rape and had been seeking termination of that pregnancy. What's important is that on the 4th of April, the Bombay High Court had refused to grant her that permission, had refused to grant her that nod. The concern that was expressed by the Bombay High Court was on the back of a medical report that had been submitted by JJ Hospital. As per this report, there was no reason made out, there were no grounds made out for seeking relief in the form of a medical termination of this pregnancy. That, importantly, is something that was up for challenge. The CJI said that these are exceptional situations. They need to be given their due consideration, especially given the stakes involved, especially for that girl, for that 14-year-old minor. And with that in mind, the apex court had taken note of this matter and, importantly, given very explicit directions to the Sion Hospital of Mumbai to convene a medical board on the following day, which was a Saturday, April 20th, to convene a board and, importantly, arrive at an assessment on the need for a termination of this pregnancy. And what's important is that the apex court had added the caveat that the medical board will need to take into cognizance the physical as well as the mental implications and the consequences for this 14-year-old minor. Importantly, that report had been furnished on time. This case was taken up first thing in the morning today by the apex court, and the CJI, basis that report, had made it abundantly clear that grounds have been made out, that concerns have been expressed with respect to this pregnancy on both her physical as well as mental condition. This is something that the apex court will be taking note of, and on the back of that, using its exceptional powers available to the apex court under section 142, importantly, the apex court has allowed for termination of this pregnancy. The reason that's significant is because under the current legal framework, under the MTP, the abortions are normally not allowed beyond the 24-week deadline. That's the timeline. That's the thumb rule that's mostly followed ideally in most cases. This, however, is a situation where the termination, where the pregnancy has entered the 29th week, and therefore the concern being expressed not just by the state of Maharashtra but also by the Chief Justice of India. So with that in mind, directions having been issued, Maharashtra will take on the onus of meeting all the medical expenses for this. The apex court recording that the Maharashtra government will be taking care of the expenses and ensuring that this termination, this pregnancy, is terminated in due course with respect to the concerns that have been raised by the medical board of the Sion Hospital.